God, you need. Oh. You've got issues today, PVZ.
National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
PVZ, you came. Oh, PVZ, you came out to play. Ah!
Marshall County in northern West Virginia until 6:15 p.m. At 5:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Woodsfield, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source: radar. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include New Martinsville, Woodsfield, Sardis, Clarington, Cameron, Proctor, Hannibal, Lowings. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.